That was cool in there.
That was awesome. I'll follow you.
Go. That was so cool in there.
Yes.
It's good fun, huh?
Yeah.
There's no greenhorn attitude out here.
There is more and more of that these days.
There is, man. That's like unbelievable.
And even there's mountain bikers in there now with fucking attitudes, which didn't used to be that way, but there's some that, I mean, I just don't understand.
There's some people you just can't
They
make
hear a dirt bike coming and they don't get out of the way.
Yeah. And my
was saying
experience,
a couple days ago, we're going to be kicked out of there pretty soon. Did someone say that? No, you were saying it the other day. Remember we were talking about it?
What are you going to say, Bob?
but every confrontation I've ever had on the trails and out here, Boise or Seattle.
Out of towners, yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah, I've never had a problem with
No.
local people, ever,
No,
ever,
for
ever.
sure. And
We had
there
that one
definitely are
old guy
some
that had
people
the
are
Band-Aid on
moving
his ear.
here. Maybe they just need to
He had to be like
trained.
75 and he fucking wouldn't move. And finally JR passed him and then he turns around and said something like, that was really fucking cute or something like that. And so I turn off my bike and I go, are you gonna let us by? And he goes, are you gonna say please? and then I go, wow, we're us out here having fun. What's your problem? And he goes, I fucking hate you. He just screamed it at me like that. And I went, wow, I guess I really don't have anything to say then, so except fuck you. And I just threw as many rocks as I could at him.
Yeah.
And I tore out. Like, dude, you don't deserve it.
Yeah. The biggest problem I ever had was a few years ago going up the North Fork of Deer Creek, and where the road ends and the trail starts. These two people laid their bicycles in the trail and said, you can't go up here. I'm like, yes we can. They said, no, it's non-motorized. I'm like, no it's not. I said, we clean these trails, I work these trails. You know, obviously you're not from around here, and I was being nice. And they just kept pushing and pushing, and it's illegal, you should never be in here, those things need to be banned. I'm like, if it wasn't for us, these trails wouldn't be open. And so then the girl gets really smart. I'm like, and I'd had enough. I'm like, look, I told the guy, I go, you pick up your bicycles and you get her out of the way, because I'm going to beat your ass and then I'm going to beat her ass. And you got about 10 seconds. And I said, walk down there and look, because the brown sign was there.
Right.
And it's just no four-wheelers.
Right.
They don't know what the signs mean.
My comment anymore, the first thing I was like, just go, are you the trail police?
See, now Roger Debris would have just ridden over the bike.
That's
know.
exactly what I was thinking.
Yeah.
Fucking little
Yeah.
bike will be
Yeah.
just folded up, dude.
And he would have went like this as he went by.
Yeah.
You know, we'll bring him back out if we have to.
He would have.
My favorite was when I asked Roger a question when I was first starting riding, and I said, I come across a mountain biker out there, Roger, who's got the right of way? And he goes, well, you're in your full body armor and they're out there in your fucking underwear. Who do you think?
Yeah.
Drop fire on the way home.
We miss Roger.
I do. We miss riding with him.
Ooh, that was a good
The
time.
funniest encounter ever was when he bumped that one big dude off the trail who wouldn't get his mountain bike out of the way quick enough. So Roger just hit him from behind and bumped him off and then kept going. And then we stopped at the end of Greenhorn, or at the beginning of Greenhorn, and we were working on my throttle handle or something. And the guy comes riding up on his mountain bike. He caught us by that point. He throws his bike down and he goes, "You fucking old puss bag, I'm gonna kick the shit out of you." I still call Roger that. When I want to fuck with him. You fucking old puss bag.
Oh my God. That was a good time.
And I can't think of the guy, the Bell motorcycle rep from Gully's buddy that's from Colorado. He was a Bell helmet guy. He was with us and he was the one that calmed it all down. He's like, whoa, whoa, whoa. Roger just out like this. He'll kill that fucker. I guarantee you Roger will kill him. He was just waiting for him to come at him.
It's not a fight he walked away from.
I rode with Roger long time ago. Probably, I mean, I'd only been up here a few years, so mid to late 90s. And honestly, the guy scared the shit out of me. I'm like, holy cow, I hope he doesn't get mad at me. I hope I don't make him mad. I was like, fuck, he's gonna kill me out here.
He was the best. Still is the best. It's just, yeah,
Comes across that way, but he's actually just a big fucking teddy bear.
he is.
What, a puff bag?
Fucking old puss bag.
He just called me a couple days ago.
The other one he bumped off the trail that really embarrassed me was Chizo. Chizo didn't move out quick enough on like Greenhorn, and Roger had no patience for that. He'll just fucking hit him from behind and send him off the trail on their mountain bike. Get the fuck out of the way. You had plenty of time.
Yeah.
I'd be like, God, Roger, I know these people, man. Calm down.
Yeah.
Go ahead, Micheline. Get us out of the snowstorm. Okay.
Well, we're not getting any warmer sitting here.
Yep.
Nope. What?
The sneak trail. I hate that fucking spot right there. It gets me every fucking time. Because I can't reach the ground.